happy people. Today is a very quick video. I just want to share something that I made for my daughter. This year was quite eventful and she lost her first tooth. So I wasn't really sure how the whole tooth fairy thing would pan out, but I wanted to make it super simple for me to complete. So I came up with, on the fly might I add, with this tooth fairy kit, complete with a door hanger and a welcome packet. This package turned out so cute that I decided that I might try to make the packet available for purchase on my Etsy shop. So I wanted to show it off to you guys. I recommend purchasing before the tooth falls out so you can be ready when the event happens. The package comes in official Tooth Fairy mail and is complete with a welcome letter from the Tooth Fairy herself, which will instruct your child how to use the door hanger. Also included is a coloring page and a special certificate. I had it rather easy because my daughter lost her first tooth at night and didn't want to give it up. So when she woke up in the morning, the package was waiting for her when she woke up. Anyway, if you're interested, again, This will be available in my Etsy shop. And I also made a boy version as well. I hope you all have a very lovely, wonderful day and a happy new year. And thank you for giving me a moment of your day. Bye.